Welcome back, watch enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the beauty and mechanics of a rare vintage timepiece, the Orient G4469682-4 BPU automatic 21 joules, watch from the 1970s Apollo series. Let's start by looking inside this masterpiece and seeing how it works. This automatic movement is powered by 21 joules, ensuring smooth operation and durability. You can see the rotor swinging as it winds the watch with every wrist movement. No battery needed. A true example of vintage craftsmanship. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the elegance of this stunning TV-shaped dial. The mother of pearl brown color gives it a unique and classic look, shifting shades under different lighting. The polished stainless steel case and well-preserved acrylic crystal add to its vintage charm. The gold tone hands and applied indices complement the dial perfectly, giving it a timeless, sophisticated appearance. Let's now go over how to set the time on this vintage Orient watch. First, gently pull the crown to the second position. Once in place, you can rotate the crown to move the hands forward or backward. Always set the time in a clockwise direction to avoid damaging the movement. Once the correct time is set, push the crown back in. Now let's set the day function. To do this, pull the crown to the first position and turn it clockwise. The day will advance with each turn. This watch also features an Arabic English day display, making it a versatile piece for collectors worldwide. To set the day, simply press this button using a small pointed tool or a pen tip. Each press advances the day by one step. This feature makes it super convenient and quick to adjust. When setting the time, if you turn the crown 24 hours forward, the day and date will automatically update. This mimics the natural progression of time, just like how the watch would advance over a full day. Let's take a closer look at the case and band. The TV-shaped stainless steel case has a well-proportioned design that sits comfortably on the wrist. Paired with its original stainless steel bracelet, this watch maintains its authentic 70s look. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for both casual and formal wear. And there you have it, an in-depth look at the Orient G469682-4 BPU automatic 21 joules mother of pearl brown TV dial watch. This rare vintage timepiece is a true collector's gem, combining mechanical beauty with timeless design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage watch showcases. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Orient Apollo series. Do you have one in your collection?